Hey guys, Mike here. I just wanted to talk a little bit about something I've been seeing. I don't know. I don't want to know how far back to go. Maybe the past 6 months, maybe longer. But it's definitely a change in trading. And I'm using EVAX as my example. So I'm having to go to 1 minute candles to really show you this. But you can see the big gap up here this morning. I don't know, pulled back to 840-ish and then halted up. Came out of the halt, flagged, halted up again somewhere in here, sorry, and then ended up just absolutely ripping though, right? So then it goes into just sideways action for a couple hours, few hours, and starts to break up out of that. See the extra volume coming in? So I'm guessing it had traded 20 million shares at this point. So there's no lack of liquidity, there's no lack of attention from traders, right? Everybody's watching this thing. And here's the part that I'm seeing that we didn't used to see. When you consolidate this long in, I should check the float actually. I'm not sure what the float is. EVAX. This says 19 million. Either way, that's still a pretty low float. But when you see this much volume, it's like the stock of the day. It absolutely rips. Shorts got hosed after the gap up, sells off, and then rips. So when you see this, it's just a long battle, right? And it's going to resolve one way or the other. So you think, if you picture every battle in a stock between bulls and bears, longs and shorts, then right now you've kind of got a tie, right? For the last several hours. When it gets to breaking out of that range to the, like say, to the upside in this case, and gets up here maybe over 12, extra volume coming in, you might think to yourself, okay, shorts are screwed and they're going to have to cover and you're going to get a squeeze through the high of day. And in the past, that may have been true. Now, let me start scrolling. Went the wrong way. That's not an errant tick. It actually went up to whatever that was, 1277, and in the same minute goes down and literally just keeps falling, right? I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I'm telling you, this didn't used to happen. It happens so much now that there's zero chance I'm getting long. We used to take like a Tokyo entry, we called it in chat, right? I'm getting long as it resolved to the upside back in the day, right? Looking and then maybe selling as it squeezes through the high of day. When I see this now, I'm not brave enough to short either, but I'm leaving it alone. I'm just leaving it alone, right? Middle of the day, battle being resolved to the upside, and then whoops, no, it's not. I kind of think it's algos battling algos, right? It just becomes so unpredictable. And I don't really have any advice out of this video other than when you see that, man, just don't sit it out when you see a quick break one way or the other. I honestly, I can't word it any better than that. Sit it out and know that this happens a lot.